Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm trying this magic pour kit, non-toxic and odorless, fast curing by Let's Resin. So let's see how this turns out to be. So this is the kit and I'm going to open it. So in this kit you get this resin casting powder and it's 1:3 ratio. You need 10 grams of powder and 3 grams of water. And then in the kit I have these cups and also this mixing spoon. This is measuring spoon, and then I got some acrylic colors. Just let me take everything out of the kit and I will show you. So these are the molds that come in the kit. So you get a coaster mold and then this trinket tray mold, and I think this is a tea light holder. So these are the acrylic colors that come with the kit. So you get a variety of colors here. So but I have something really different for you, because these are the colors that come with the acrylic kit, but I'm going to use something different. So you get a sanding paper also, and these are the instructions on how you need to mix. All the details are here if you have any problems. So I get 1 kg of the resin casting powder. So now I'm going to show you that what I am going to do different is that I have ordered these Let's Resin neon powder. Actually these were sent to me by them, 12 colors. So I thought, why not try these with the casting powder and make something fun instead of using the acrylic powder. So these are the colors that you get in, and also these are actually really big bottles. So before here I will just show you that I made a vibrant neon color trinket tray and other items. So I will link that in my description and above here, so you can see that. So I got really tiny containers, and you just need actually you need a lot of this neon powder to get the exact vibrant shade. So I'm happy that these bottles are big and I can use them again and again a lot more time. So it's really easy to mix. You need to have 10 grams of powder and 3 grams of water. So I will be eyeballing it since I'm using them this a lot. So this is inside the container, and this is the powder is in the packet. So the cups are on the flimsy side because my actually the box was crushed a little bit, so some of the things are damaged. So this is not a issue of a company, this is a issue of the postal service. So that's why, but they are still workable, so that's why I didn't discard them. So here you can see that I am mixing it. Just make sure that you mix it really carefully without any lumps. So starting off with this beautiful neon purple color, I'm going to add this into this container. So these come a really sealed pack, and now I'm going to open it. So I'm going to tell you that you need to be very generous with these mica powders. You need a lot of them to get the perfect shade that I have explained. So I'm just starting out. I will be adding more, so you just make the adjustment according to your need, whatever shade you're going for. I'm going for a very vibrant sort of purple color since I'm creating a neon decor here. So I will be keep on adding. You can see that I'm really generous with the scoops. So I think this is the perfect purple color, and just one thing in mind, that you need to be careful that it wouldn't start drying, because it has a working time of around 20 minutes and fully dried to 30 to 35 minutes. And now I will be playing with these colors. I'm not going to pour them direct. Mix, 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 and then also mixing and thinking how I want to pour this color and making sure that there are no lumps. And here we go, my first color, and it's really up to you. It's a freehand design, and I'm just going with the whatever pattern is coming in my mind. So as I've shown you that this is the way you're going to mix your colors, and I'm taking a little bit at a time. I haven't mixed extra because I will be trying to use as much neon colors as I can. So since this is a very small container, so it's difficult to create a design in that smaller one. So I have a little bit left in my container, so I might take another mold and I'm going to pour in. So don't worry about the pink color, it's actually a stain. And here I've just poured it. And some dots here and there. So as I've shown you the mixing process, so I will be now mixing all the colors and start pouring, and it's the same for every color. So I have mixed the yellow color here, and then I will be pouring like the style I'm going for. This is a freehand design. So I have the consistency in between. I have mixed not so thin, not so thick, because I want to control the pouring, so that's why. So from now on, I will be pouring different colors and you just enjoy the process. So just to let you know that I do wait a little bit in between pouring the second color because I don't want all the colors to mix up. So in this one, I just mixed a little bit of white and added a little bit of black inside because I want to create the marble effect. So this will create a interesting sort of a pattern into the dishes. So here I want to try something different and how hopefully it works. This is a monstral leaf and I am pouring this green into the leaf here. And after pouring it into the leaf, now I will be pouring just into the dish the same way. So in between, I wanted to create the trozo effect. So I have taken these crushed nuggets that you see that people use in the center of the flower. So I will be just putting them, I will not be mixing them into the casting powder. I will be just putting them on different spaces where I want them to be, just like that. I'm putting these onto the empty spaces to create that trozo effect, but something different. Not instead of crushing the same casting powder, I am using these crushed nuggets. So after that, I will be pouring this white casting powder on the top of these crushed nugget pieces. I wanted a white background for these. So I'm just filling up the spaces where I have put the crushed nuggets. So my leaf is dried now and I'm going to demold it, but I had a little accident and one of the leaf pieces got broken. Now I need to see that if it works or not, because here I created something really wrong and you will see afterwards what I did here. At the moment I'm not realizing. I'm thinking that I'm doing something very amazing here, but yeah, the end result did affect it. I will tell you afterwards what I did wrong here. So after putting this leaf, I will be adding the next color. It was so interesting to work with these colors. They were so vibrant. I'm just loving it, and this was such a fun project. And here we go. I'm just pouring the pink here, very enjoying the process, and I'm pouring it on the leaf also. Although this was really fun to make, even I got a little mistake at the end, but still it was really enjoyable because these colors are so happy. They are screaming happy vibes. And after adding that beautiful, beautiful orange color, now this is something so fun. I am doing the backing with the black casting powder just to finish it off. It was so fun to make these, and I'm so excited to demold, and let's see how these look like. So I left it dry for one day. You can remove them out around for 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, but I did give them one day. So it's time to demold, and let's see how it looks like. First, I'm going to demold these all out of the mold here. Out of the mold, and let's see. Here goes the first one, and yeah, I love it, how beautiful, and that black and white pattern, that marbling effect did make it so beautiful and interesting. I just love the design here. It's so fun. This is the second one, and I love this one too. Such interesting patterns. And this is the third one, and now I am just telling you that that was the issue. You can see the leaf is peeking, but it didn't show itself. Yeah, it was actually unbalanced. I just put the leaf on the top of the purple color, and it was already cured, so it was not stick to the trinket tray. Instead, it was on the top. And this is the smaller one. It is also interesting, such a abstract sort of designing here. So I couldn't do anything about that. I couldn't damage it. So yeah, because I don't want to damage these trays. They turned out to be so pretty. So next time I will be careful about that what I did wrong here. Now it's time to do a little bit of sanding because I want to unveil that terrazzo, the crushed nuggets that I have poured at different places. So I'm going to wet a little bit, and now I will be doing the sanding process. So this is just a boring sort of sanding here, but you have to do it to remove show your terrazzo here. Now you can stop here, really up to you. I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to put something on here, and you already guessed what I'm doing here. These are really pretty on their own, but I want to throw there's a little bit of that gold into these. So I'm using this Gilding Glue, and I will be just putting a little bit of lines here and there. But they are so pretty. I just love these, and I'm sure you do as well. So I'm just putting up very thin lines. So I just left them to dry, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and I'm going to put some gold foil. So just like that, I will be putting these foils onto the places where I did the lines by placing them. And brushing the excess of the foil, I did really fast because I wanted to see how this looks like. So this one was a bit faster. And as soon as I removed the foil, it was looking more interesting. Again, I'm just telling you, it's really up to you. I did like this, but you can stop wherever you want to stop. I'm just showing you some options. I had another thing that I wanted to do, but I stopped here because I don't want to do too much. But yeah, I did stop something I wanted to do, but I didn't do. So maybe next time I will be showing you that also. So I'm using the foil from the other trinket dish onto the other one. So I will be doing this. So these are done now, and on to the next step. And after a day I did this. So this is the next day. I am going to do polishing. So always I do use this stone wax. It's amazing, it smells amazing, and it's always fun. So it's by Clark's and it's perfect for doing the polishing. So I just use my hands and I just rub some of this onto the dish. And as soon as I do that, the colors enhance a lot more. So after applying this with a soft cloth, you need to clean everything to finish it off. So I will be doing this to all of these. So this is going to be the last step. So this is the final look, and just get ready for the final look. I also showed you under the UV lamp because these are fluorescent colors. So this is the final look and I'm just loving it. It was from the beginning such a amazing project and it was so vibrant from the start. And here we go. These, you can see how, wow, so fun to play also actually. Just love these fluorescent colors by Let's Resin, and you can use them as a neon powders. The options are so much. So I really enjoyed making it and playing with the light also, showing it. So all in all, it was really fun. So this was a fun project and I really, as I explained, that enjoyed making it. So I hope you liked it also, and you will be going to give it a try using the magic casting powder by Let's Resin and then also these neon powders mixed together. You will be creating amazing stuff and a lot more because the mica powders are a lot. So everything will be in my description with discount codes if you like to treat yourself. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself with a happy energy. Bye bye.